Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. Myself, Professor R.H. Saugle, Department of Food Processing and Management. Today we are going to learn about milk and milk product technology. So this is the content of this subject: introduction, composition of milk, milk flavor, contamination of milk products, physical properties, nutritional value of milk, various milk products, processing of milk, and storage of milk. So let's get started with introduction. Milk is the food which is exclusively sustains us during the first few months of life. If a baby came to this life, the one and only food for 6 months, minimum 6 months, is to be his or her mother's milk, breast milk. So we have written here, milk is the food which exclusively sustains us during the first few months of life. So raw milk. Lacteal secretion practically free from cholesterol obtained by the complete milking of one or more healthy cows or buffalo or any other mammals. The lacteal secretion free from cholesterol. Cholesterol is nothing but a sticky milk part which is secreted immediate after birth of newborn. Now let's go to the term milk is also used for white color, non-animal beverages resembling milk in color and texture such as soy milk, rice milk, almond milk and coconut milk. The milk is prepared from soya, rice, almond and coconut. This is also called as milk, which is non-animal beverages. Composition of milk. Milk contains 87 to 88% of water. Carbohydrate, approximately 5%. The main carbohydrate present in milk is lactose, is further fermented by lactic acid by bacterial fermentation. When the milk is heated and produce condensed milk, there is another carbohydrate, lactulose, which is a little sweeter than any other carbohydrate. Fat content. Fat content in whole milk is about 3 to 4% and it is varied in mammals to mammals, from cow to buffalo to sheep to goat. The fat contains soluble vitamins, pigments, carotene, xanthophylls and cholesterol and phospholipids, but is primarily triglycerides, 95%. The fat in milk occurs in the form of droplets or globules surrounded by a membrane and emulsified in the milk serum part, the whey part or the watery part. Milk is an oil in water emulsion which is not naturally physically stable. That is why creaming occurs if it is left to stand. Protein. There are two main proteins present in milk. One is casein and second is whey protein. 80% casein is present in milk and 20% whey protein present in milk. The casein is arranged in superstructure called micelles, which consists of protein together with phosphate, citrate and calcium. The casein are actually a group of similar proteins which can be separated from the other milk proteins by acidification to a pH of 4.6. The casein micelles also may be coagulated by addition of the enzyme renin. So here we can see two types or two methods are formed for separation of casein from milk. One is acidification and second is enzymatic coagulation using renin. Whey protein, lactoalbumin, lactoglobulin and immunoglobulin. Whey protein are more hydrated than casein and are denatured and precipitated by heat rather than acid. Whey protein is separated by giving heat treatment, not by acid treatment. Other protein components include enzymes such as lipase, protease, and alkaline phosphatase, which hydrolyzes PGs, proteins, and phosphate esters respectively. Vitamins and minerals. Milk contains vitamin A, B6, B12, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin K, vitamin E, thiamine, niacin, biotin, riboflavin, folates, and pantothenic acid. Vitamin A is naturally in the fat component of whole milk and more may be added prior to sale. Whole milk is generally 98% fortified with vitamin D because it is naturally present only in small amount. Low fat and non-fat milk are fortified with both of these fat-soluble vitamins because of fat is reduced or absent. Minerals. Calcium and phosphorus in milk is about only 1%. Calcium is present as calcium caseinate, calcium phosphate, and calcium citrate. Other minerals present are chloride, magnesium, potassium, sodium, and sulfur. Flavor of milk. The flavor of milk is mild and slightly sweet. The characteristic mouthfeel is due to the presence of emulsified fat, colloidally dispersed proteins, and carbohydrate like lactose and milk salts. Fresh milk contains acetones, acetaldehyde, methyl ketones, and saturated fatty acids that provides aroma. Contamination of milk and milk products. Milk is sterile at secretion in the udder but is contaminated by bacteria even before it leaves the udder. Udder means breast part. The further infection of milk by microorganisms can take place during milking, handling, storage, and other pre-processing activities. The microorganism infection we can reduce here from milking, handling, storage, and other pre-processing from personal hygiene to and other processing we can see next lecture. These are few types of microorganisms found in milk such as Streptococcus lactis, Acrobacter, Bacillus subtilis, coliform bacteria. Physical properties. Acidity of fresh milk means pH of milk is around 6.5 to 6.7 at 25 degrees Celsius. Viscosity. It depends upon the amount of fat, size of fat globules, and extent of clustering of globules. Homogenization and aging increase the viscosity of milk. Freezing point of milk. Minus 0.55 degrees Celsius. Addition of 1% of water to milk decreases freezing point by minus 0.0055 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of milk 100.2 degrees Celsius where milk is boiled. Nutritive value. Good quality protein and biological value is over 90%. Lysine is abundance, present in very large amount. Easily digestible fat containing 2.1% linoleic acid, 0.5% and 0.40% arachidonic acid. Only substance that contain lactose, which is essential for synthesis of galactose. Flavor favors the growth of lactobacillus in intestine and decrease the pH, which give resulting in absorption of calcium. Also increase the permeability of small intestine for calcium. Milk is poor source of iron and vitamin C. Not a good source of niacin, but excellent source of tryptophan. Major source of calcium and riboflavin. So we can see here composition of milk from different species. This column gives the information about nutrient like water, calories, protein, fat, carbohydrate, cholesterol, calcium, phosphorus, sodium, potassium, vitamin C, vitamin A and riboflavin. Where here we can see cow, human, buffalo, goat and sheep, different species. So let's get started with water content. Cow milk 87.99%, human 87.50%, buffalo 83.39%, goat 87.03%, sheep 80.70%. Calories 61, human 70, buffalo 97, goat 69, sheep 108. Protein. Cow milk contain 3.2, human milk contain 1.0, buffalo 3.7, goat 3.5, sheep maximum amount 5.9. Carbohydrate, cow 4.6, human 6.8 maximum amount of carbohydrate, buffalo 5.81, goat 4.4, sheep 5.3. Let's go to calcium. 119 in cow, 32 in human, 169 in buffalo, 134 in goat and maximum amount 193 milligram in sheep milk. Let's go to vitamin A. 126 in cow, 241 maximum amount in human milk, buffalo 178, goat 185, sheep 147. Riboflavin 0.1 in cow, 0.03 in human, 0.1 in buffalo, 0.1 in goat and 0.35 in sheep. Maximum amount of riboflavin in sheep milk. Okay guys, now we can stop here. A remaining part we will continue in next lecture. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching this video.